Hello everybody, it's me, Zoe again. Today, I'm going to be bringing you with our special guest is Jojo.
Peace out.
And today, we are going to be doing a toy opening.
Yep.
So, let's bring Jojo in right now.
Hey guys. I'm too dark.
A little closer. To the... There you go. Well, we're going to be a toy opening and we'll be showing you the toys.
Guys, I kind of opened this.
And I opened this too, but I didn't open it all the way, so... Okay, this is Jojo's toy. It's brown.
Her name
is Cherry Spice. Cherry Spices. Can't open this. Open the door. Okay, let's get this thing out. Okay, I'll put them up again. Okay, my turn. I can't get it out. Probably gonna pop. This toy is so big. How can this toy fit in the cage? Can't get it out.
I didn't want to try to build him right now. He looks funny.
Dizzy, you're not supposed to open it.
Oopsies.
Get this out. For now, while I'm opening this thing, Jojo is going to show you what she got out of her Legos.
Just wait, I need to put this stuff on.
Yeah, she needs to build it. So, we are going to show you another one. Bunchums. I need the scissors. Okay.
I was putting it on the wrong side. Oh, that's so cute. Everything here we need to build mostly.
Zoom in. Okay, that is mine. And the bunchum's open.
He has no eyes.
Oh, we just need to touch it to one. I didn't see that. So, if we put the eyes on, like,
Oh yeah.
there, right here, and so, while Jojo's still building.
So I need help with these legs.
Oh, look it, I got one out. It's a giraffe. It's a baby giraffe. So cute. Okay, another one.
Look at where I put them.
Oh, look at it's koala, baby koala. Okay, so that's mine again. Gotta get this bag out. Okay, we gotta get the bag out. And Jungle in My Pocket, Series 1. Okay, that's what I got out of this cage. The first thing I opened. Actually, the first thing I opened is the bunches. And they feel so soft. So I'll give this toy a thumbs up.
Wait, I don't feel it.
No. This Bunchum's toy is good. I give it a thumbs up. What do you give your toy, Jojo? Your My Little Pony toy.
Yeah.
Do you give it a thumbs up?
Yep, I give My Little Pony toy a thumbs up.
Okay, my turn with My Little Pony. We are still ready.
This is so...
I got Princess Twilight. I got Princess Twilight. I never got her before. It's amazing.
Let's celebrate.
I got Princess Twilight. And I give her a thumbs up.
Zoe, I need help.
She looks a little weird.
I need help.
Look her face. It looks weird. But I still give her a thumbs up.
I need help.
Well, open your other toy.
I'll open my bunchins. Hey guys, I'm gonna open my bunchins now. Okay. I just need a sandwich over here. Give him a little bunch in there.
Just telling you, I'm a little good at Legos.
You're what at Legos?
Nothing, telling the people. The peoples of the world.
Wee. Oh, well.
Okay, she got the same thing as me, but she gets to put it, the eyes in a different place. She's taking it apart. She's gonna make a new one. Well, I can't put Michelangelo's foot on. Where's his arm?
That's Mikey.
Yeah, his name is Michelangelo's.
His arms are right. You lost his. Check on the floor.
He lost his arm. It was on the floor. Okay, show him your bunch of. Here.
No. His eyes. These are his arms.
I don't get it.
Here.
Hey, let me do it. Let me do it.
Zoe, wait. Give me it. Give me it.
Okay, she got Mikey, but it's hard to put on, but we'll put it on when we're done.
Yeah.
It's just too hard. And I think I have one more toy. Okay, she got a bunch of them, and it's the same one as mine, but she gets to put her eyes on different. Nope, she just put them on the same as me. Okay, oh well. Her turn. This is her last toy too.
This is my last toy.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's her, let me see what it's called. Kitty in my pocket. I got a dimple in my pocket. She got the kitty in her pocket. And so, let's see what she got out of her kitty in her pocket.
Oh, first let me open it.
Hold on. How much do we give the bunchum?
I give it a thumb up.
You can give it thumbs to the middle and then thumbs to the thumbs down.
I give it 10 thumbs up.
So she gives us a thumbs up. She gives the bunchum a thumbs up.
10.
You can only give it one. That's the rule of my show. This is my show.
Okay, let's see what I get. How do you open this? Oh wait, I see it. I see it now, Zoe.
Got it.
No. That was easy.
Well, hers is easy to get out. She got this little thing that you get your pets in. Just gotta open it from here.
That was easy.
Let's see what she got. Oh, she got the kitty and the puppy. No, those are both kitties. So she got a fat little kitty here.
And a little cute little thing.
A little spotty kitty. So you get this kitty in the pocket. How much do you give it?
2 thumbs up.
You can only give it one. Scissors. Okay, mine is Secret Life of Pets.
Oh.
Mini pets, mini figures. I don't know her name.
Got
Bridget.
one leg on?
Bridget. I got her. Nope. I got Bridget. Okay,
Let me see.
I give Bridget a thumbs up.
How did you put on the first? How did you put on
Well, that's all for today. Remember, this is my special guest, Jojo, and maybe my next special guest may be somebody. You don't know. I just gotta pick. Info. So, goodbye. Like and subscribe and comment. And see you next time.